Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain how to build a strong reputation on Upwork for long-term success. In order for you to be able to build a strong reputation, you need to make sure that whenever you do complete work, the client that you did the work for gives you a rating. If they do not give you a rating after you completed the work, simply message them and just ask them if they could please give you a rating. That way, then you can get higher ratings, meaning that more people will be more interested in contracting you for work. Something that I like to do with Upwork, in order for me to get guaranteed work, I find a type of work that will most likely hire me. For example, any work that are looking for native English speakers is a good example of people who are looking for many different people who are native English speaking to complete some work. Usually this work is pretty low in payment. However, it should be enough to start getting some money in. Then what I do usually with that money is that I use it to buy some more connects. Connects are pretty cheap. It's usually about 10 for $1.50. Buying more connects means that you can apply to more better paying jobs, which will in turn help you get more money. Also, another thing is make sure that your profile is 100% complete. This means that you've put in all the relevant information that you can into your profile. This will make it easier for a client to find your profile and offer you a contract. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.